శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాస మహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. Suta Maharshi saying to Saunaka and other Maharshis, O Maharshis, in Uttaragarbham that child is protected by one Paramapurusha. That child is observing, noticing someone is going around him and protecting him. How is that Paramapurusha looking? Angushta matram. He is the size of thumb. And that Paramapurusha is looking amalam, such a beautiful glowing body. Spurat Puratamaulinam. That Paramapurusha is wearing a golden crown. Tapta Kanchana Kundalam. Beautiful earrings that Paramapurusha is wearing. And Kshatajaksham. Red, beautiful lotus-like wide eyes that Paramapurusha is having. Apivya Darsanam. Such a beautiful, very pleasant, glowing, effulgent Darsanam is given by that Paramapurusha to this Sisu, this child. And also that Paramapurusha has Srimad Dirgha Chaturbahum, 4 shoulders that Paramapurusha has. He is holding Gada Panim, he is carrying Gada, and he is going around that child in that Uttaragarbham. Sarvatodisam Paribhramantam Ulkabham Brahmayantam Gadam Muhuhu Muhuhu. He is rotating his weapon Gada and he is going around that child. Gadache batti paribhraminchuchu Gada ghatam bulan. He is now throwing away that Brahmastra Tejassu away from the child with the help of this Gada. That is how Bhagavan protected that child. When Paramapurusha, that Bhagavan is going around that child with Gada, child has been staring at that Paramapurusha. That is why that child's name became Parikshitu. Then while this child is looking at Paramapurusha, that Bhagavan is disappeared from there. Antardadhe Harihi, he disappeared from there. Then after 10 months, that child is born. He has so much of glow. Then Dharmaraju felt so happy to see that child. At the time of the child's birth, all the planetary position, everything was very good. And then Dharmaraju invited Dhaumya and Krupacharya and did Jatakam Karayamasa. He did that Jatakarma to that child. After that, Dharmaraju, on occasion of that child's birth, with so much of happiness, he invited so many acharyas, brahmanas, and gave them so many danas, Godana, Bhudana, Hiranyadana, so many danas. With all those gifts and charities, all the Brahmanas felt so happy and gave their blessings to the child. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.